Oh, hi YouTube fam. So today is Saturday, the day before the 3-day no movement day, and we are at the supermarket that you see me come all the time and tell you how I like it. We are in here just to pick up a few things, and actually I'm gonna flip the camera in a few and show you. There is literally no trolleys. This thing is, it's family, is like a storm coming. There's literally no trolleys. This is ridiculous. But I can't catch up with you. So we are literally scrolling. We are literally scrolling. The Isles family looking.
But they don't have any trolley.
Not even an L. This is ridiculous. We're going right through. And these people normally have a lot of trolleys, you know.
The lines are
And
full.
we are here pretty early. Kobe, it's pretty early.
It's 9:30 now.
It's 9:30. And it's
So what time them open?
9.
They open at 9?
9, they open at 9.
Sure not yet?
Kobe, look here. Just started. Now to go up in the line now, wait till somebody finish.
Yeah.
And just get a trolley. Oh Jesus. Family. I'm not even sure. We are looking just to find.
I don't think they have any vacant trolleys.
Find any vacant. We have to go stand up in the line
and wait until.
And then wait until somebody empties a trolley, and then sometimes most of them might push them outside.
Yeah.
For them vehicle. This is so ridiculous.
Don't understand.
The man, I'm keep a pain.
Oh.
I'm not the man. Jesus.
That sound like rain.
No, rain.
Sound
and
like
the rain
it.
come down on the outside. Yes.
That sound like it.
What is this early? And now look at the line. The line them down in the aisles now. This is so crazy. Crazy. We don't want bread, but we have bread.
Yeah, we have bread at home.
This is crazy. There's a huge shower of rain come down on the outside.
But it stops. It's like going on and off. It's not steady.
Jesus have mercy. This is crazy. I wasn't planning on this right here this morning. Actually, I was not.
And it's not going to get any better.
It's gonna get worse.
It's going to get worse.
Like, I don't even think when the storm, them did say the storm I come last at the supermarket was like this. It's the people that did have extra. People have like a
They have to be using the bags that they have to carry.
But me not carrying a bag.
I'm not carrying it.
I have just gotten one, so I had to go to the checkout counter and waited, and there was this elderly couple. They had just a few things because most of the people have lots, their trolleys are filled, and then when it's like that, they drive, so they would push them out to their cars. So if it's not like that, you'd have to go in at the but there's something in here. You have to go to the parking lot to go get trolley.
Yeah, to take up.
And the rain is falling out there. Actually, it's come now hard. Anywho, I could see what we can do. So we'll flip the camera now, son. You know, I want white film, but I never really something for you today. I could go to the meat section.
That's what I'm telling you.
But I don't plan to go across road, you know. Let me see if we can get one of them CB trays.
What is that though?
Like wings.
This is just wings.
How much money it is?
No.
So where is the price?
It's not just wings.
1,404. It is wings only. That's why it's so expensive. So that's why everybody leave it. We don't want no wings. That's why they're so expensive. And I 1,154. Wings only.
It's all wings.
8 piece of chicken wing.
It just said chilled chicken. It just said chilled chicken pieces, 8 pieces.
This is for 1,000.
And this don't look like me.
It says, listen, it says chilled chicken
TP.
TP 8 pieces. What's that? You like it? It makes. This is a 1,154. Normally I don't buy these enough from. I always buy chicken from
Melon panda.
from the and here's me get these
That's 1,060. It upside down. 96, sir.
1,096. And
So
it's
you want this one?
same CB. The
You want
same
this one?
IP. May I take it, yes?
Alright.
I don't know what in this. Up on the, some of them smell frozen sometimes, you know them not. Right there.
It's very dear.
I have one pack in them, I think I should have checked. For empty. Oh, smell
I shoot them
You don't
small.
want them.
Those are the small ones.
And the pre-cooked, and I don't
Yeah.
want them.
Those aren't pre-cooked, but them they're just small, mommy. Waste of money.
So,
They have
but
beef.
we can find some fall meat here. Because me not take them on for them extravagance and excitement and sitting in. But I could go down so, because I'm all the extra part of the fish down so. We don't really want rice and flour island.
No,
and
we
something
have
there. We don't have flour. We don't really
Right here,
want-
sir?
I think we
Sit
have
here.
mackerel. What's this?
No,
I don't want for
no,
them mutton.
no. Oh, I
You know,
thought
for the fridge and literally empty, girl.
this
I
is what? This is mutton too? No,
I
I
don't
thought.
want anything. I can't believe that. Maybe not going up, but anyway.
But you're not going to get through for now.
The traffic out there was so bad. Oh, girl. Come, let's get
No, we don't need anything like this.
let's get you can't never see as it out, you know, mama. I'm going to eat that.
Milk all done too.
Milk done.
No, we have cheese and something.
On the piece of cheese, then it's a few minutes.
Oh.
Oh, this is so great. Tissue. No, I'm answering, but we need tissue.
The tissue, alright, this all over this.
Girl, I could eat the bully beef shell.
Can I take up some bully beef and mackerel, yes? Tissue. Tulip.
Take a tuna. No, uncold.
Stop.
I have uncold.
Kind of hard for me to take up on me.
Come, I could go back down there and go on this way. Yeah, go on the vegetable. They get like one of them papayas. Yeah, I could catch a bullet. I could catch 2 bullets.
See them there?
Look for
No,
the
that's a
low
reduced salt.
sodium.
Yeah, see, they reduce salt.
Where?
Right there.
Where?
Grace.
Me make them take meat on me not idiot. And some ideas them I could have ever cook me one piece of saltfish. I'm in a clown. I don't want to eat a Pepsi. I know your father and love him. Drink a Pepsi. After him,
I just come to pick up a few because not so myself, that's it. That's the pennies left.
let me go over the vegetable.
So the over there, so the saltfish. This is the saltfish section, isn't it?
God have mercy.
Over next side.
Now come, have a look.
When I was on a saltfish, that's rainforest saltfish. A rainforest saltfish, I don't know say what it's
Rainforest saltfish?
Mhm.
Where?
Is that
This
salt
a
mackerel?
pickled mackerel, yeah. This a 4.
Could I use salt mackerel one day?
Mm.
Salt mackerel and dumpling and banana or something.
Oh, that me did I say.
Pick up on them?
I'm going to take it up, but I wish one this, yeah. I notice
So
some of
same.
them are going like the salt mackerel, them are going like say a salmon, a pink salmon. These, you don't even see a price on these. These not looking bad.
See the price here.
Where?
926.
No, darling. Me not buy the mackerel for 900 and odd. This are 473. This can't do. You better do. I put this down there, so.
This is just one mackerel cut up, right? Or two?
I don't know in a car, but they're in there, look. Oh, why so much egg in there in here? Oh boy. Why them deal with the red in your pan there? Red in our fried dumpling there,
That could have been for breakfast for another day. Can put that on it. My name drop off. Hold on.
Hold on. What is this? Help me with this. Is this 1,000?
No, 234 at the dollar sign there right there. So.
Pop chai. I don't see no color.
Go look at skeleton as well. I think probably they not have no color.
Oh.
No, the papaya now? Well, mom, you have to go push. You have to go push. But I can't multitask that very well. That pepper? We have a red at home here. Or half of a red.
It's a 207. Pepper? Half mirrors. Let me get my bread.
No, that's jalapeno. Yeah. You want it? You want pumpkin?
Pumpkin rice on idea. I have carrot.
You have carrot, okay.
Yeah.
Look at pumpkin rice another day in a bun.
I put them beetroot in the water. I want to have sponge. And them pumpkin I can't make my rice cold. You know, so them look tired. This here not bad. Right about it.
Yeah, that looks good. Not like we make a big pot of rice for me. Just for the four of us. Remember I said start from yesterday, so I really was expecting it. Alright. Papaya. It would have there around this one. Onion? No. Only two me take off.
I get a bag.
So back here.
My girl, I come here, come see.
No.
It's not from your change, from
Remember I said this start from?
oh.
Oh, new pumpkin. Not good, yeah, that's better.
My pumpkin rice scatter, you know, 400.
Alright, there, this is good. Alright, onion.
Alright, listen now.
These seem firm. Here's one.
Me expect, when we are going to get, we are going to make porridge.
How many corn? Yeah, get some. See how many over there, sir?
How many after?
Oh, you want the one in the pack?
I don't know, suppose them, you can't work with the bulk one. have all the sitting in there and I can't find them sitting here split peas. Actually,
You take up garlic?
This hour. A mini corn bulk.
Bulk and mini corn, you want it?
Bulk. Me want to take you.
One pot good?
Yeah. We have bean and all of them. That is salty.
Alright. You can use that for breakfast tomorrow. So.
Wow.
The how mini corn porridge?
Yeah, we have one use some.
Speaking of it a long time, I'm gonna drink it.
We have pasta sitting on.
Yeah, we have pasta at home.
We have syrup. We just need milk.
I have oh yeah.
I think I want something. Basically, I eat that thing.
Where's the papaya?
And if I then done.
No. See them over there, so I think they're over there.
Oh.
Yeah.
127 a pound. And when the one there, them there, right? This looks good.
That looks good.
Only?
Is it bad?
Child. There are some stupid in the fridge, you know.
You can heat it up, yeah.
Yeah, brown sugar. I'm gonna get brown sugar. And what's that thing? What is something there?
No.
Go go get the tough crackers. Where you have people? That's what I'm doing. Do you think? We didn't end up picking up here.
What's that?
Yeah.
Yeah, we didn't pick it.
Let me get the
Alright, go on. Spotless.
the flour. What minute time I go look? Puff crackers? I never know
Yeah.
that there.
And the Pepsi for that.
We don't have a lot of extra. I don't really mind. I prefer to buy the egg and crunch.
Is that the snack aisle? Good Jesus.
Look down, put down the snack please.
They can't even pass them people there.
The family, the most complicated as right now is the snack aisles. Trying to give you a little shutter down the snack aisles. Yeah, we don't want to put it on. Well, she's so more fine. So I'm going to stack up on a whole of bread. Make a bake a bread. My girl, she gone down in the snack aisles. Gone look snack. Because look here, this is total stupidness. I don't eat with them in a fam. Because let me see somebody with turkey neck. Me not see, if me see turkey neck, me would fix some turkey neck. Come on, girl, have me push me around like. She's down in that as. So, family camera girl down in our eyes. I mean, I really want to put the camera to put it in anybody's face. That eyes there where you see all the traffic. Right there, so down in the aisles there should there. So I have to just have my hand down. Yeah, she coming. She's hurry. Come. Yeah, go see if I can get she come there with her lily cell. She saw a little bit. Now look at me, one lady with turkey neck. Where did we miss that?
Get full of for me, I pick up because all of this is empty. Let's just
Hold me, we have to go. But 3 days, how we are name, so mama? You could have pick up a hot dog roll.
Hot dog bread?
Mm-hmm.
Down there. Sister.
Alright, me will go back for it. Nobody go back down in there. You hear me? Don't go. I want to go get a pack of turkey neck. Me see one lady with some big pack of turkey neck. I don't know where she got it. I look over here.
Alright, go on. For what? Mommy come.
When it's time put out, and all the old junk. I hear time for sit them in a junk. I wish you get the turkey meat.
I don't know.
Oh, but this fridge of the turkey
But
neck.
the refrigerator turkey neck is supposed. You're trying to upscale, mommy?
Which oxtail? A turkey neck woman. Oxtail. You think it's up a couple dozen eggs?
Maybe because we're going to eat everything.
Okay, now, family, we are heading towards the cash register. And there are
But the
lines
line them start from in the
under
aisle.
the aisle. So I'm going to look one, I can't read the gun here. You see that one there? Oh, is this a line?
Yeah,
Shit,
yeah,
it
yeah.
is. Wow. Look at them. Look at the Lord.
You have to just try one of these auto ones here.
Look at one of them brown.
I suggest joining one of these.
Oh.
Me like some check.
Alright, I'm going to go. We're going through one of them empty aisles here and go around. It is like a joke inside your family.
This aisle is empty and then go around.
Alright, so we're going to show you the aisles then when we go down. Oh, Jesus. I didn't even really take this thing serious. I didn't take this thing serious. When you go say this and that and people run go out, go last minute shopping and bungle up. Does that make sense?
Doesn't make any sense.
It doesn't even make any sense to me. These are empty aisles. Empty aisles because no cashier is there. So this is an empty aisle.
No. Cashier is in this one.
Cashier is in this aisle?
Yeah.
No, so is that what? Express.
No, yeah.
Express,
Number one.
So we can't go this so. We could join this one. This is an aisle. Go another line. Now show them the rest of the aisle. That is one, and this is the one that we are joining all the way down. So, come. This is another one, fam. Come. So this is one, and as we go further up, it don't really matter. A lot of them stay here, so you can't block the crossway. This is what it look like. This one look like it might move a little bit. And this is one. This is another one going down there. Trellis. So, well, as soon as she go up and you can, yeah, like a driving. And this is another one, like a two-seater. So just hold your turf, you know. I'm gonna look it. This thing is a bit big. Okay, now I go
front of it is good.
I kind of do it so. And pull it up. Me get it pull up a little now, you see? Kind of pull up. I can adjust it, man. So, family, this is basically they look colorful. I don't really want oil and rice. One canned beef, I take up, I don't want no more. Because them salt. Like, I take up the loaf. I don't really want no more canned beef. We not eat canned beef like that. You did anticipate, I never done know say something so serious. I never see, I say much 1 month into, you know, people not have nothing much. People not have nothing much at home. So family, our battery is dying. This is the worst mass I've ever worn. And all along. So I kind of trying it, but it doesn't.
In a state of because it's big, it doesn't have any elasticity.
No. So I'm going to adjust it though. And something, I'm going to pick up right this one kind of.
I can sew it or something.
I will. So the line I push up a little bit. I think we'll be in here for maybe about the next half an hour to about 45 minutes. Because them cashier they look like them, you know, some cashier can move fast. I don't know. You know, I think the older type of cash registers would have taken you faster. Family, you can't leave your comment. These computerized sitting with the scanning. I don't know how much they carry, but I figure more or less for the first time analog cashier them. Yeah?
What is that
Cash registers. Yeah, where they just punch in, them and with them scan now. Because sometimes when they scan it now come up same time and them have to stop and they can't get to them have to put in the code and I think the first time cash registers would go faster, but family no hold me to that. Me just comment and tell me one thing. First time, old time, long time. But then call them again. Jeez, I don't remember what their name. Point of sale, old first time. Cash register them. Yeah, wanna tell me if you say them you carry it faster and the line move faster. But I see you back at home, my battery's dying.